Hello and welcome to my proposal for the openfarmtech.org mobile site design project. First, I want to go over some of the key points that I came up with after analyzing the current site, the current Wikipedia site that is live on the internet. First of all, it's a little bit overwhelming, the amount of information that is available on the site. To come up with a way to effectively convey that information mobily is quite a challenge. I tried to break it down into some steps here and some things to focus on, and that's these 4 key points that I have on display here. Display of critical and important information. With mobile, you don't have much real estate to work with. You don't have much user attention time to work with a lot of times. A lot of times they're just on the site to get something that they need and then they're off the site. It could be several minutes, could be just less than a minute. It depends. So to very quickly be able to visually capture information from the site is number 1 priority. The second key point is a simple and easy to use interface designed for mobile context. Again, button layout has to be very easy to use, easy to see. The general flow of the application needs to be simple and easy to use. Third key point, ability to have a view anywhere resource for current researchers and developers. People in the field that are actively working on the Open Farm Tech project, they need access. They need to be able to just reach in their pocket, pull out their iPhone or whatever, and have these resources available to them. And that's what this is going to allow. That's what this application is going to allow. It's going to allow those people in the field working on this project currently to be able to use the information from the Wikipedia site freely on their mobile device in a very easy to read, easy to navigate format. And my 4th key point is available across nearly all mobile platforms. Ability to view it on an iPad, iPhone, Android device, Playbook, even Kindle Fire. That's important. Want to make this a universal application that can be used by anybody in the world, and also just as important are the people working on the project. Again, going back to the people that are in the field, the developers and the researchers for the Open Farm Tech project. They really need easy access to this information to be able to possibly communicate back and forth, or leave a blog post about something, or any number of different things. Anyway, I want to now show you the wireframes that I've produced to give you an idea of the layout and the user interface for this mobile application. And the first slide will be the home page. It's going to have a header and a footer. They're not going to change. They're going to be the same no matter what page that the user is on. The header section is just going to contain some basic site information, the logo and tagline, name of the website, that kind of thing. The footer section, again, these 2 sections will never change no matter what page that they're on, is going to include a donate button, which is very, very important, and also a get involved button. Those will both, of course, lead to a donate page and a get involved page. On the home screen, the main section there that's labeled as number 2 is just going to be a general photo that just kind of represents what the open source ecology program is all about. And of course, part 3 there is the homepage button layout to access the different other sections, crash course, the blog, the forum, an FAQ, and an email setup. And next I want to show the crash course page. This is going to have in the main section the 2-minute GVCS video that will play when they access this page, and then at the bottom the key features, the scope, and the status. The key features will go over kind of the general information about what the program's all about, and then scope kind of dives a little bit deeper into the key features, and then status will display each individual piece of machinery's current status, whether it's not being developed yet, or it's a prototype, or it's been finalized, or whatever. And then of course the footer will contain the donate and get involved, just like all the other pages. And next I would like to show the blog page. The blog page is going to show a photo, which is number 2, and then arrows to go to the previous or the next blog post, and then number 3 will be the text area that the actual written blog post will be displayed there. And then go to the forum page. Again, this is going to tie in with the Wikipedia's forum. Same basic layout. I believe there's only 5 or 6 different sections in there. This will display that, easy to use. Click, read some posts, whatever. And next is the FAQ page. Again, the FAQ is a bunch of links. The link is a question. Click on the link and then it's going to display the answer. Pretty straightforward there. The donation page, the middle section there, the bulk of it is just going to be a paragraph about where the funding comes from, how crucial it is that the funding keeps up. And then, of course, at the bottom are 3 different buttons, whether they want to pay through PayPal, Bitcoin, or Flatter. And last is the Get Involved page. Basically, volunteers that go onto the desktop version of the site have the ability to go in there and kind of explain what their skill set is, or what they intend to volunteer for, or what have you. And this is kind of a simplified version of that for mobile. They can put in their name, their email address, type out a message, submit it, and then the people at FarmTech can access that information, possibly email them back to see if they want to join the team. So anyway, this is my proposal for the design, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.